Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to use Google Drive in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. You have to just open your apps first and click on Google Drive, and you will see here it will give 15 GB of free storage here. You can just upload here, and you can see here it is 15 GB. You can just add more storage by purchasing it. You can see the rates here. You can just simply purchase, and here it is a mini storage for this. Like here it is my drive. You can share these items. These are scattered, and when you shared it, it will show in this. And here are all the files that are in the Google Drive. This is how you can use it. And there are backups also. If it is missing or deleted, you can just backup it for here, like WhatsApp backup, and you will see offline content from here, and uploads and descents are there. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.